Here we have another problem from 12.8 that states, in how many ways can the word robbers be arranged? So we have a formula. This is a permutation, but we have a couple of repetitions here. And if we have a B and we rearrange it with a B, you can't tell that we've rearranged them. So we need to account for that in our formula. Okay, so the formula actually states that if we have a number of distinct permutations of n objects, where n1 of the objects are identical and n2 of the objects are identical, and so on and so forth, then we can figure out the total number of permutations. So we're looking for duplicates here. So in this particular problem, the total number of letters that we have is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 factorial over, now let's look at the number of duplicates. Looks like we have 2 R's and we also have 2 B's. So we would have 2 duplicates here, which would give me a 2 factorial, and then we have another set of duplicates and there are 2 of those. So the rest of the problem will involve making sure that we do the arithmetic correctly. You can do it a couple of different ways. I'm going to do a little bit of this by hand. That would be 7 factorial over 2 factorial is just 2 times 1, and then we have another 2 times 1. So 7 factorial over 2 times 2 is 4, and we can type that in the calculator. So here we have 7. We find the factorial key under probability. It's the third option. Divided by 4 equals 1,260. We could have done that by hand. 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 4. The 4's would cancel, and then if we multiplied 7 times 6 times 5 times 3 times 2, we would also get 1,260. So that would be the number of ways that the word robbers could be arranged.